Alright, so let me show you something crazy. What if I told you that you can create viral explainer videos without editing, without recording your voice, and without even knowing how to animate? Yeah, sounds fake. But this is exactly what I've been doing recently. And the best part, these are the same type of videos that channels use to get millions of views completely faceless. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I create viral explainer videos using AI step by step. And trust me, this is one of the easiest ways to scale content right now. So first, let's talk about the problem. Most people think you need insane editing skills, expensive software, or a full team to create high-quality explainer videos. But that's not true anymore, because now we have tools that literally do everything for you. And the tool I've been using is called Gulpo AI. This thing is actually insane. So here's how it works. You basically give it an idea, or even just a simple prompt, and it turns that into a full explainer video. I'm talking script, visuals, voiceover, everything done automatically. Let me show you exactly how I use it. So what I do first is come up with a simple viral idea. Something like, why students forget everything they study. Gulpo can write good scripts for you as well. But for this video, we are going to write the script ourselves. So to write the script first, go to Claude, and here I will ask it to write a long-form video script on why students forget everything they study. I will copy the first paragraph of the script to show you the power of this tool. But when you are creating, make sure to copy entire script and paste it here. I will set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for long-form video. I will set the duration to 1 minute only, though you can even select 8 minute. And it literally builds the entire video for me. It creates these clean whiteboard style visuals that explain everything step by step. And on top of that, it adds a full voiceover synced perfectly with the visuals.
You just spent 3 hours studying. You read every page, you highlighted half the textbook, you even rewrote your notes. And then you walk into the exam the next morning. Sit down.
Like, this is something that used to take a full production team. Now it's literally done in minutes. And this is why this is so powerful. Because this isn't just for YouTubers. This is being used everywhere. YouTubers are using this to run faceless channels without editing skills. Companies are using it to create training and onboarding videos for employees. Startups are using it to launch their products and explain how they work. Teams are sharing explainer videos instead of boring PDFs and reports. Schools and colleges are using it to teach complex topics in a simple way. And even parents are using it to help their kids prepare for exams like SAT and entrance tests. So you can probably see where this is going. This is not just a tool, this is basically a content machine. Now you can also edit your videos in Gulpo. Go to edit video section, click the clip you want to edit. Now I wanted a boy in this frame, not a girl, so I will ask it change it from girl to boy, and it just did it. Now if you want to edit video yourself, you can download it and add in CapCut. For example, if you want to remove silence gaps from video, you can do it. And your video is ready. Every few seconds, something new is happening. New visual, new idea, new explanation. And this keeps retention high, which is exactly what the algorithm wants. So yeah, if you want to start a faceless channel, or if you want to create content for your business, your startup, or even education, this is probably one of the easiest ways to get started. And I'm telling you right now, the people who learn this early are going to dominate. Now the best plan on Gulpo I recommend is business tier. Although it sounds expensive, it's the only one that does the full thing in one shot with prompt-based editing. It's way cheaper than wasting so much time or paying somebody else hundreds or sometimes thousands to do it. Business tier allows to upload your own audio and video and insert any images or videos within the animation and gets 390 minutes worth of video per month. Anyway, if you found this useful, make sure to subscribe because I'm going to show you more ways to use AI to create viral content without wasting time. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.